Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Ring camera is recording video but failing to send motion notifications or detect activity, you may miss important events around your home. Motion detection problems can occur because of sensitivity settings, camera positioning, battery levels, Wi-Fi communication, or temporary software issues. The good part is that a Ring camera that isn't detecting motion doesn't always indicate a hardware problem. In many cases, a few simple adjustments can restore normal motion detection and improve overall performance. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy troubleshooting steps you can try on your Ring camera. Try these. Step 1. Check the placement of the Ring camera. Step 2. Review motion settings on the Ring camera. Step 3. Verify the Wi-Fi connection of the Ring camera. Step 4. Check the battery level of the Ring camera. Step 5. Clean the lens and sensors on the Ring camera. Step 6. Walk through the detection area and test the Ring camera again.